What if ancient Egypt was never primitive? What if the pyramids were not miracles, but leftovers from a forgotten age? Thousands of years ago, along the Nile, a civilization appeared already advanced, already precise, already knowing things it should not have known yet. The pyramids were built using stone blocks weighing several tons, some heavier than modern military vehicles, cut, transported, and placed with precision that still challenges modern engineers. The Great Pyramid points almost perfectly to true north. Not magnetic north, true north. That level of accuracy requires advanced astronomical knowledge, yet there are no blueprints, no construction records, no explanations carved into the stone, only silence. Inside the pyramids, some chambers resonate with sound in strange ways. Others show stone surfaces smoother than what modern tools can easily achieve. This is not mythology. It is measurable. Across Egypt, temples were aligned with celestial events so precise that sunlight enters hidden chambers on only one specific day each year. This was not ritual guesswork. It was calculation. Egyptian doctors performed surgeries, treated brain injuries, and documented medical cases in detail. They understood anatomy, trauma, care, and disease thousands of years before similar knowledge appeared elsewhere. That is not superstition, that is science. Egyptian engineers also mastered water. They controlled the Nile's floods, measured land after each inundation, and leveled massive structures using water-based techniques, still considered the most accurate method today. Then there is a question that refuses to go away. How were deep underground tombs illuminated? There is no soot, no smoke residue, no burn marks. Yet detailed artwork covers walls far from natural light. At the Temple of Dendera, carvings depict strange enclosed objects, long shapes resembling large light sources, complete with cables. Most explanations call them symbolic. But symbolic of what? Egyptian materials raise even more questions. Pigments that never faded. Stone mixes stronger than some modern concrete. Glass, cosmetics, and alloys made with consistency. Consistency requires standardization. Standardization requires planning. Planning requires advanced knowledge. So, where did it come from? Ancient Egyptian texts speak of a time before the pharaohs, a time when wise beings ruled the land. They were called the followers of Horus. According to legend, they taught humanity law, engineering, and order, then disappeared. Were they gods? Or survivors of a civilization destroyed by catastrophe? A flood, a collapse, a reset. Egypt may not have invented this knowledge. It may have inherited it. That would explain why Egypt's earliest structures are often the most impressive, why later generations struggled to replicate them. Egypt did not slowly evolve. It remembered, and over time, it forgot. The real mystery of Egypt is not how the pyramids were built. It is how much they already knew. Because if ancient Egypt understood astronomy, medicine, engineering, and materials science thousands of years ago, then history is not a straight line. It is a cycle. And Egypt stands at the center of a forgotten chapter 1 we are only beginning to